Intro. The operators you never see when people think about private aviation, they think about jets. The aircraft. The leather seats. The speed. But jets don't fly themselves. Behind every private flight is a charter operator, a company responsible for safety, crews, maintenance, compliance, scheduling, and execution. These operators don't sell seats. They sell solutions. They move CEOs, athletes, governments, medical teams, and families, often with zero margin for error. Today on Krosstrail, we're going deep. Not just listing names, but explaining why these companies matter. This is our definitive breakdown of the top 25 charter operators in the United States. Chapter 1. How this list was built. This is not a popularity contest. Operators were evaluated on safety and regulatory standing, fleet size and capability, operational scale, longevity and reputation, market influence, type of missions flown. Some dominate globally. Some dominate regions. Some specialize quietly, but critically. All 25 shape U.S. charter aviation in meaningful ways. Part 1. The Industry Giants 1. NetJets is the largest private aviation company in the world. Its fractional ownership model redefined access to private jets, allowing clients to purchase shares instead of full aircraft. With one of the most diverse fleets in aviation, NetJets is built on scale, standardization, safety discipline. NetJets is less about luxury flash, and more about industrial-grade reliability. 2. FlexJet competes at the very top of the premium market. Its strength lies in long-term leasing, consistent cabin design, brand-driven luxury. FlexJet clients aren't chasing convenience, they're buying a refined private aviation lifestyle. 3. Wheels Up introduced private aviation to a new executive demographic. Membership-based access, simplified booking, and strong domestic coverage helped it grow rapidly. Its influence wasn't just operational, it was cultural. Wheels Up changed how people talked about charter aviation. Part 2. Global and Ultra-Luxury Operators 4. VistaJet operates a distinctive silver and red fleet focused on long-range missions. Its subscription-style model appeals to international travelers who value consistency across continents. 5. Jet Aviation blends charter, aircraft management, and completions. With deep corporate roots and global infrastructure, it's trusted by governments and Fortune 500 companies alike. 6. One of the oldest names in U.S. charter aviation. Clay Lacy built its reputation flying Hollywood, sports teams, and high-profile government missions. Longevity is its strongest credential. 7. XO represents the technology-driven side of charter aviation. By blending fleet access with digital booking, XO focuses on speed, transparency, and flexibility. Part 3. Regional POWERHOUSES 8. JetLinks operates on a base city model. Clients fly with consistent crews and aircraft, creating familiarity rarely found in charter aviation. 9. Backed by Berkshire Hathaway, EJM emphasizes safety, governance, and disciplined operations. Its reputation is built quietly and deliberately. 10. Nicholas Air focuses on membership-based flying with a highly curated experience. It's known for brand loyalty and personalized service. 11. Millionaire. Millionaire blends high-end charter with luxury FBO services. The experience begins on the ground, not just in the air. 12. A Midwest cornerstone with decades of operational credibility. Krosstrail is known for corporate aviation management and stable long-term relationships. Part 4, Turboprop and Efficiency. SPECIALISTS 13. PlaneSense specializes in Pilatus PC-12 aircraft. Efficient, reliable, and ideal for regional travel, proof that private aviation isn't always about jets. 14. Tradewind is known for premium turboprop operations across the Northeast and Caribbean. Its success comes from matching aircraft to mission, not ego. 15. Boutique Air bridges charter and scheduled service using PC-12s. It serves communities airlines overlook. 16. A major player in short-haul charter and essential air service routes. Critical, practical aviation, not glamorous, but vital. Part 5, Large Fleet and Specialized Operators 17. Solaris manages a large fleet of owner-operated aircraft for charter. It specializes in discretion and high-net-worth client management. 18. A global management and charter firm with U.S. operations. Strong in government, medical, and corporate missions. 19. Berry Aviation is deeply involved in government and special mission flying. Its work is often unseen, but critical. 20. ATI Jet is known for high-touch service and long-range luxury aircraft. 21. JetEdge focuses heavily on the West Coast and ultra-long-range jets. 22. Blade operates helicopter and short-haul urban air mobility services. Private aviation at city scale. 23. Specialists in mountain, high altitude, and challenging airport operations. 24. One of the fastest growing charter operators in the U.S. focused on mid-size jet fleets and efficiency. 25. Known for sports, entertainment, and high-profile charter missions. Vegas-based, but nationally recognized. Conclusion: the real infrastructure of private aviation isn't defined by jets. It's defined by operators, by systems, by discipline, by people who make complex missions work quietly and professionally. These 25 charter operators form the backbone of private aviation in the United States. They don't chase attention. They deliver results. And this has been Krosstrail. Optional outro, CTA. If you want deep, intelligent breakdowns of aviation, business systems, and elite infrastructure, subscribe to Krosstrail. More coming soon.